Hello guys, welcome back. So as you know, in the last video I explained to you why I chose my forex fund. As you know, my forex is one of the leading prop funds in industry right now because they have many other features what we spoke in the last video. So yeah, I'm doing a trading journal where I'm journaling all my trades which I take with the 200k challenge. Okay. So with that said, I have completed my 200k phase 1. So as you see here, right, I have achieved my 8% target on 200k. So I'm gonna be on the second phase 2 now as soon as I get completed with this. Okay, so let's discuss the trades which I have taken. Okay, on the 9th Feb. Okay, if you see on this chart, right, we were making higher highs and higher lows, and this candle was closing bullish. Okay, and if you see this is the 315 candle. 315 is a London Open, as you know, right? As you know, I trade only on London Open and New York Open, right? So as this kind of closed bullish, this gave me a confirmation to continue towards upside, and as this was retracing down, I took a buy somewhere over here, and my stop loss was right below this candle, and I was aiming to reach this level because we have a clean candle on the left, but I started taking profit as this candle, started rejecting on this, so I made a 20 pips on this candle too. Okay, so if you see on the same day at NYSE open, which is 9:30 candle, right, we made a higher high, right? We were supposed to go towards the upside. Okay, I was waiting for this candle to break the high or wait for a good pullback on this candle, but I was not trusting this breakout what we had because the previous 4-hour candle closed with no wick. Okay, whenever there is a candle with no wick, that means we don't have a range towards to go upside, right? So this is my favorite setup where I get a weak bullish candle at a SR level, a strong SR level, and as you know, this was a Thursday, and it was close to a weekly candle, and the previous weekly candle, if you see on the gold, right, we closed very strongly bearish right here. So it's aiming this candle to continue towards backside to the downside because if you see the previous weekly candle, it closed strong bearish below this zone. That means this candle was very supposed to come down as it was we were trading over here. This would be the high of the candle. So thinking about that, I took a sell right here as soon as this candle, on the 15 minutes, as soon as this candle broke its low. So as you know, this is a fake out. Whenever we have a fake out, there is a very high chance we break the immediate support when we have a fake out. So for that reason, when I took a sell over here, I kept it till here, thinking that we could reach this level over here. So it was good 100 pip trade where I made almost all the money on this day on the 9th Feb, right? So this is where I cleared my 200k account. If you see the last 2 days, it was very good trades which I've taken where I made 2 to 3% on these trades on this day. Okay, and I also took a buy on GG on this day, which was around 9th Feb, right? I took a buy as these candles were coming down to test this level, so I started adding buys over here, and I added a buy over here. My stop loss was right below this candle over here, keeping below this zone because this was a resistance we had. So this was a trade on the GJ where we are making higher highs and higher lows, and I started taking adding position as soon as we are reaching NYSE, which is 9:30 a.m. candle, right? So these were my 9th Feb trades, and as you know, on the 9th I cleared my forex fund 200k challenge 8% target. So this was just the last day where I have to fill my day, which is a fifth day. As you know, they have a minimum 5-day trading days challenge, where if you are taken an evaluation process, you have to complete 5 trading days. Okay, and then you go down to the next phase, which is phase 2, right? So if you go down to here, and if you see the minimum trading days are 5 days, so I completed my 200k challenges in only 4 days where I achieved 8%. In the next phase, I have to achieve 5%. So let's see how my second phases goes, which I'm gonna keep on journaling. So on the last day, which was on the 10th, I just where I have to, fill my day, right? So I even after completing that, I was trading it with the technically not just to fill my day. So where on this day, as you see, this 4-hour candle was closing below this support. That means a weak bullish candle at closing at the support. That means there is a weak confirmation to go towards upside, holding this as a support. This candle clearly closed below this resistance right here, So as this candle broke this level, I took a sell, thinking that London volume could go down. This was a pre-London trade, but it did not work out well. If you see here, it did not work out well. As we started breaking these lows, I took a sell. Okay, I took it over here on this candle, but it was on the, if you see on the 4 hour, it was breaking low here. So that's where I took. I was thinking this candle was just making a higher, lower high to continue down on the 30 minutes. This is where I took my trade, and my stop loss was previous 4 hour candle, and aiming it to come down to 1840 or 1842. So this was the trade which was a loss, but I opened it to the very small lot size. I just, because just I was just wanted to fill the day. So yeah, this is how I completed my 200K challenge phase one with my forex fund. It feels great to complete all these phases, right? And to just take advantages of the deals they have with my forex fund. So as soon as you complete phase one and phase two, you get 2% of the evaluation account too. So as I've made the $16,000 on this, right, I'm gonna get 2% of the $16,000 even if I'm trading on the demo account. So that is why I like my forex fund, where I'm gonna keep looking to upgrade my accounts with multiple 200K accounts. So I'm going to keep recording my trades, and let's discuss more about this. If you have any question, just comment down below so that I can reply you on. Thank you. See you again.